Akiaria hindi ya Woyani wa Makorwo a KDF, mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni akinyitie mwena Eldoret, kaunti ya Uasin Gishu kuria aranirie nao hamwe na kumatogeria kuona marorete gutumikira bururi hamwe na kuwashirithia thayo. Ruto Nioritie Mbutu icio cia KDF Makorwo Magiteithiriria bururi hari kuhurana na Ugaruruku wa Riera kuria augite niguo Ukoretwo uri ugwati munene hari uthii wa Nambere hamwe na utonga wa bururi.
The Kenya Defence Forces symbolize resilience and dedication in defending our sovereignty and championing initiatives that strengthen our human security. I take this opportunity to commend the KDF for your exemplary contribution to national afforestation efforts. As you know, this campaign is a cornerstone of our national strategy to combat climate change and enhance our environmental resilience, thereby promoting overall security for our people, their properties, and livelihoods.
Na kuona Mihuro ya ica ikuhi iria yahutirie icigo nyingi bururi-ini na gutiga ithukangite indo cia muingi, Ruto Niamatugiritie na njira nene ni undu wa kio kiao na uhotani wao hindi ya Mihuro iyo.
I commend the KDF for their tireless efforts and effective disaster response in the midst of the devastating floods which have affected many parts of our country. Government is committed to relocating and resettling affected families and to significantly enhance national disaster response capabilities to be even better prepared for future emergencies.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni agathiririe arugamiriri a mbutu cia KDF kuria amerire thirikari ni guthie na mbere na kumanyita mbaru ni undu wa kwirutira kwao hari gukoria uhotani wao na gutigirira ni magia na indo cia kuhurana na moritu maria mari kuo na maria maroka.
Whether in peace support missions abroad or national development projects at home, your actions reflect competence and efficiency worthy of our trust and the esteem in which our nation is held on the global stage. As we honor your achievements, I reaffirm the unwavering support and commitment of the people of Kenya and our government to the continuous enhancement of your capabilities and the promotion of your welfare to ensure that you are equipped to meet current and emerging challenges with confidence.
Ni Ugithii TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.